Customizable ASA Anti-Aging Coating Tape Factory Roof Construction Rail Shooting. It is necessary to clean the construction base before use to ensure that it is dry and dust-free. After the cleaning is complete, tear the isolation film and put it up for use. Try to ensure that it is pressed tightly after posting, so as not to affect the construction effect. It can be effectively waterproof and sealed after completion of construction. It can effectively reflect ultraviolet light, reduce surface temperature, and extend service life.